Luxembourgish uses the verb ginn to express the passive. For the singular, we use the form gëtt. For the plural, we use the form ginn. For example, I am making my cocktail. Ich mache my cocktail, which is active. My cocktail is being made. Mäi Cocktail gëtt gemaacht, which is passive. I am making our cocktails. Ich mache Eis Cocktailer, which is active. Our cocktails are being made. Eis Cocktailer gemaacht, which is passive. The passive ginn is always in the same tense as the main verb in the active sentence. If we have the present tense in an active sentence, ginn is also used in the present tense. If we have the past tense in an active sentence, ginn is also used in the past tense. If there is another verb before the main verb in the active sentence, then the same verb is also before ginn. For example, I eat cake, ich esse Kuch, which is active. Cake is eaten, Kuch gëtt gegessen, which is passive. I must eat this cake. Ich muss diese Kuch essen, which is active. This cake must be eaten. Diese Kuch muss gegessen gehen, which is passive. I have eaten the pizzas. Ich habe Pizza gegessen, which is active. The pizzas have been eaten. Pizza sie gegessen gehen, which is passive. The passive can also be used to express an action done by an unknown number of people. In these sentences, we start with et gëtt. In English, this construction uses the word people. For example, people are dancing the whole night. Die Leute tanzen die ganze Nacht, which is active. Et gëtt die ganze Nacht gedanzt, which is passive. People are drinking a lot. Die Leute trinken viel, which is active. Et gëtt viel getrunken, which is passive. Do not forget, because of the Eiffel-Regel, rule of Eiffel, ginn can become gi if it is not followed by a vowel or the letter N, D, T, Z or H.